Welcome. Here's our journey into confidence and grooming. Let's begin with a simple, relatable question. Have you noticed a small ritual lift your mood? A quick grooming moment, fixing hair or adjusting clothes, can instantly change how you feel. Today, we'll explore how grooming connects to confidence and the psychology of self-efficacy. First, what do psychologists mean by self-efficacy? Albert Bandura described it as the belief in your ability to achieve goals. Grooming rituals act as microsignals of control and readiness. Styling your hair before a presentation reinforces the belief, I'm prepared, I can do this. Next, think of grooming as a confidence ritual. Rituals reduce anxiety and prime the brain for performance. Through embodied cognition, physical actions can shape mental states. Fresh, voluminous hair can make someone feel more assertive and socially confident. Now, the psychology of quick fixes. Under time pressure, confidence often slips. Simple grooming shortcuts reduce stress and free mental energy. Quick tools like volumizing dry shampoos, such as Fenty Beauty's Imposter Invisiboost, offer instant refreshment, reinforcing control and readiness. We'll keep the tone educational, not promotional. Let's look at self-perception and social feedback. Self-perception theory suggests we infer confidence from our own actions. Grooming tells us, internally, I care and I'm capable. Polished appearance often invites positive feedback, strengthening self-efficacy. Consider the cultural and everyday context. In Zambia and across Africa, neat grooming signals respect, dignity, and readiness for community or professional roles. Think of weddings, interviews, or casual gatherings where appearance boosts confidence. Let's close with a clear takeaway. Grooming rituals aren't vanity, they're tools that reinforce confidence and self-efficacy. Confidence isn't just in the mind, it's in daily rituals. Even the smallest act of grooming can remind us, I am ready, I am capable,